Which is the national flag of India, popularly known as? Answer is Tiranga. What is the ratio of the length to the width of the national flag of India? Answer is 3:2. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra on the national flag? Answer is 24. The Ashoka Chakra in the national flag is taken from which monument? Answer is Lion Capital of Ashoka. What is the color of the Ashoka Chakra in the national flag? Answer is navy blue. The national emblem of India is adopted from which monument? Answer is Ashokan Pillar at Sarnath. The national emblem was adopted on which date? Answer is 26 January 1950. Which words are inscribed below the national emblem? Answer is Satyamev Jayate. Satyamev Jayate is taken from which Upanishad? Answer is Mundaka Upanishad. The national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana, was written by whom? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. On which date was Jana Gana Mana adopted as the national anthem? Answer is 24 January 1950. The complete rendition of the national anthem takes approximately how much time? Answer is 52 seconds. Which is the national song of India? Answer is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram was composed by whom? Answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Vande Mataram originally appeared in which novel? Answer is Anandmath. Which animal is the national animal of India? Answer is Bengal tiger. Which bird is the national bird of India? Answer is peacock. Which flower is the national flower of India? Answer is lotus. Which tree is the national tree of India? Answer is banyan. Which fruit is regarded as the national fruit of India? Answer is mango. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer is dolphin. Which river is declared as the national river of India? Answer is Ganga. The national calendar of India is based on which era? Answer is Saka era. The national calendar came into official use on which date? Answer is 22 March 1957. Which animal has been declared the National Heritage Animal of India? Answer is Indian elephant. Which organization is responsible for maintaining standards related to the national flag of India? Answer is Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS. The Indian national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on which date? Answer is 22 July 1947. Who designed the present national flag of India? Answer is Pingali Venkaiah. The saffron color in the national flag represents what? Answer is courage and sacrifice. The white band in the national flag signifies what? Answer is peace and truth. The green color in the national flag represents what? Answer is fertility, growth and auspiciousness. How many lions are visible in the national emblem of India? Answer is 3. The original lion capital of Ashoka has how many lions? Answer is 4. Which animal is not depicted on the abacus of the national emblem? Answer is tiger. The motto Satyamev Jayate means what? Answer is truth alone triumphs. Jana Gana Mana was first publicly sung in which year? Answer is 1911. Jana Gana Mana was first sung at the session of which organization? Answer is Indian National Congress. The first 2 stanzas of which song were adopted as the national song? Answer is Vande Mataram. Which language was Vande Mataram originally written in? Answer is Bengali. The national animal, the Bengal tiger, belongs to which scientific species? Answer is Panthera tigris. The national bird of India is scientifically known as what? Answer is Pavo cristatus. The national flower, lotus, is scientifically known as what? Answer is Nelumbo nucifera. The national tree of India is scientifically known as what? Answer is Ficus bengalensis. The national fruit of India is scientifically known as what? Answer is Mangifera indica. The national aquatic animal of India is which animal? Answer is Ganges river dolphin. The National River of India was declared in which year? Answer is 2008. The first month of the national calendar, Saka calendar, is which month? Answer is Chaitra. In a leap year, the month of Chaitra in the national calendar has how many days? Answer is 31 days. Which ministry announced the Indian elephant as the national heritage animal in 2010? Answer is Ministry of Environment and Forests. Which of the following is not a national symbol of India? Answer is national vegetable.